So Doja Cat just performed on. So Doja Cat just did a performance on SNL for her new album, and the makeup was definitely giving creepy 80s, 70s vibes, and I'm here for it. So we're gonna recreate that look. My blank canvas as my eyeshadow primer today, and I'm going to just put that all over my lid. Oh, she has some skinny ass eyebrows, and I don't really care for skinny eyebrows. I got bangs, so who cares? Let's just do the eye. The eye we're gonna use the Chokehold Cosmetics eyeshadow palette for this look because I think it's very much fitting for the look that we're doing. Just gonna take a quick crease color from a different palette really quick, and just gonna focus it in my fake crease, like right here. Now I'm gonna use this color right here, and that's basically gonna go right underneath the other color, and we're gonna just like define the crease with this one. It looks strugglish, but it will come together. Trust the process. All right, so now I have this situation going. I'm gonna take the blank canvas, and I'm just going to clean up the area that I need to be clean. Now that I have this going, I'm gonna take the brush with that dark brown that we were using, and I'm just going to clean up these edges so they won't be so harsh. I am finding like a darker color out of this palette, and I'm just like going over that a little so it's not like ashy on me. For the lid color, I am going to use this one right here. And now I'm going to use a black liner. I'm also going to take a little black that's in this palette, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner right here. Just like right there. All right, so now just lashes and mascara, and then I'll do the rest of my face and we'll move on to the bottom of the eye. All right, so for the bottom of the eye, she had like this red inside her waterline, but I don't have a red. I have like this magenta-y color. I could use pink too, actually, but I think this is like the closest to red that I want to use. The actual red I'm going to use from this palette, and I'm just going to smoke out the lash line with that one.